In this video, we show how yawave makes it possible to reach and recruit new talent through digital employee engagement. Employee referrals are a very attractive talent acquisition channel, especially in the current highly competitive job market. The recruitment process is shorter, the hiring success rate is higher, and you reach attractive talents that are not actively looking for jobs. Employee referral with yawave has the following advantages. Easy integration of the smart sharing functionality in your existing employer branding content and job postings, broader engagement through consideration of all employee engagement activities, and easier reward processing through the integrated points earning and redeeming system. Let's make a simple example. The company Group X wants to motivate, sharing, and notify relevant employees about new HR content and jobs, track all relevant employee engagement activities, and configure and manage an automated reward system. So let's have a look how quickly we can set this up. In the Share Tool editor, we can easily configure a customized share tool for jobs and employer branding content, defining the look and feel, preferred referral channels, and more. If we want, we can also allocate dimensions. For example, here in the job referral tool, we want to attribute the dimension Job Talent Ambassador to all employees that shared job ads. This smart sharing tool can then be easily integrated for all your jobs and employer branding content pages. As second step, we create the employee engagement and reward program. In this case, we configure just two rewarded activities. One, if sharing of employer branding content generates traffic, and two, if sharing of job ads generates applications. For this, we can use the reward configurator, defining the beneficiary segment, in this case employees from specific functions, defining event, quantity, time frame, and allocated points. Then we configure the benefits. We define the price in points for the benefit, define the time frame, set limitations such as a limit per employee or a total benefit quantity limit, and we can style the benefit as well. For each benefit, we can also upload codes from our shop so the employees can redeem directly online. In order to keep motivation up, we also set up an automated message. In this case, we want to notify employees when their referrals had impact. So we create an automated message in the marketing automation section. And finally, we configure the employee points and rewards cockpit. We can design the cockpit and define what type of tabs we want to offer. Here, for example, my points, my benefits, and rewards. Now, as all employer branding and job content is empowered with the yawave share tool, employees can share such content, like here a job ad for a sales and marketing position. We can also push new information and motivate employees for sharing this. Let's assume we just created a new employer branding publication. So we notify relevant employees. In this case, we send it to all marketing and sales employees. They get the notification and can simply reshare, which makes it very convenient to create more reach. The system tracks all engagement activities in real time. We can see visits, sharing activities, as well as the generated impact. Now let's see what happens if an employee sharing activity generates desired results. The referring employee now gets the automated message and can access the engagement points dashboard to see current engagement point balance. In the reward section, the employee can redeem the points and get the preferred benefits. These then appear in the personal wallet for further usage, for example in an internal online shop. Yawave can integrate flexibly with your HR software to connect relevant information like application status, hiring, or completion of probation period. If your employees already use a single sign-on, Yawave can easily integrate here as well. Plus, Yawave also allows to define team members and roles, so you can define to what extent certain people in the organization can see or manage information. So let's summarize. Yawave integrates unique referral tool, reward system, and cockpit functionality. yawave tracks and connects all sorts of employee engagement. yawave converts activities into points and allows to redeem these points, all flexibly configurable and integratable in your web or intranet environment. Learn more about the comprehensive and fully integrated content interaction and user hubs of the yawave suite at www.yawave.com.